you guys? So today's a really exciting day because I purchased the Tati Beauty Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. I am so excited about this, you guys. I don't know what took me so long to get this palette. I think it's because like with launches, I just know like the site's gonna be insane and I just like put it off for as long as I can. And I've just been like, I just am like that sometimes, but I'm super excited. I've seen this all over the internet. The shadows look amazing. And the girls that come up with the looks for the shadow and everything, like it just looks so good. One of my friends, she goes by It's Fit Maddie Wilson on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel. She wears this palette like every single day and it looks so amazing on her and she's a huge reason why I got this. Yeah, this palette is insane. Just give you guys a quick little look. Like, look how beautiful. It looks so much beautiful in person. Like these glitters are absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to try these on my eyes. I'm so excited to come up with so many different looks with these eyeshadows. They're so pretty. I love getting new palettes, new makeup. It just inspires you to do new things. And then I also decided to get the Blendiful. So I already opened it up just a couple minutes ago. I haven't used any of this stuff yet. So the Blendiful is like a makeup applicator, like a makeup tool. So this is what it looks like. Like a soft tool, kind of shaped like a guitar pick. And then they have a small heart shape. This is kind of like your on-the-go touch-up sort of a thing right here, which is really nice that they included both of those in the kit. Lastly, I'm gonna be trying the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer. This is brand new, I believe, so I decided to get it, see what it's all about. I love the packaging. It has like that glossy matte sort of, or glassy matte sort of packaging on the outside. I love Hourglass packaging. It's just so nice and luxurious, and the applicator is really nice as well. It just has that doe foot, but it's kind of like a eye shape, like it's like an almond eye shape. So I'm really excited for that because I've been all about the Hourglass products lately. I never really got onto like the stick foundation thing. I think I tried it a while back, but I wasn't a huge fan. I kind of want to try it again and see. But the baking powder and then also this brush has been really nice too. So I'll be trying all those along with that. Yeah, I'm really excited to be trying out some new makeup products. So I'm just gonna dive in, jump in and see how everything is. I'm kind of debating like, do I want to do my eyes first or my skin first? But anyways, I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like me, if you like this video, if you like me trying out new products, and subscribe by clicking the bell by my name and sign up for alerts and all that. I'm gonna link everything that I talk about in this video, all the products mentioned down below in the description. So go ahead and shop there if that's what you wanna do, if you want any of this stuff. Yeah, I think that's about it. I love you guys so much and let's jump in. So let's start with the skin. I'm gonna kind of pull my hair back. I'm really excited to see how this Blendiful works. So as I've seen her kind of do this, I feel like you do it like this and you just press it in. I'm gonna use one of my favorite foundations. This is like my go-to foundation lately. This is the LANCôME. I'm not even trying to say it. I always try and I sound stupid, so we're not gonna do that. But I'm gonna take a little bit on my face and you know, I've never really been into like the puffs or anything like that or anything other than like a beauty sponge. I don't even really use brushes. I just really am a fan of like the beauty blender. Like I have one just in case it doesn't go so well. But yeah, I'm really excited to be trying this out. I'm pretty sure she uses it like this. And then I'm gonna get my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. It's weird not using something wet. Like I looked for directions to see if you need to wet it before and I didn't see that. So I'm just using it like this. And I'm pretty sure you're not wasting as much product with this tool as well, which is also very nice. If you hear my stomach growling, I'm sorry. So far I like it. The only thing is that I feel like it's kind of mattifying the skin a little bit on me. Normally this would look a little bit more dewy, but it's kind of giving off more of a mattified look, and that's not particularly what I like. You guys know I like to be dewy, so that's the one thing. Like I'm giving off, it's giving me off like the matte sort of look, which I'm not a huge fan of. She said that you can use this Blendiful for foundation, you can use it for concealer, you can use it for bronzer. Like she said, you can pretty much use it for whatever. She said you can use it for powders and creams. So I've been really into creams lately. I mean, it looks really nice. I mean, it's flawless. It's a nice finish. Like I said, it's giving me this matte finish, and I really don't like to be matte. I like to be dewy and glowy, which is what the Beauty Blender does for me, or any beauty sponge, really. Yeah, I mean, it worked. And it apparently doesn't use as much product, which that's good, but yeah, I don't know if I'll be using this a ton because of that matte. So if you like to be more matte or like natural finish / matte, then this is totally for you. And I think this would be really good for touch-ups. Like I would totally bring this in my bag to like touch up a little bit. But as far as like the finish that it's giving me, I'm not a big fan. Like I wouldn't really see myself doing foundation very much with this, sorry. And I normally would go in with another layer because of my, I've been extracting a lot on my face, but let's just skip that and I'll do concealer on those areas and we'll do that. Yeah, or should I do one more pump? I kind of want to do one more. Let's do one more pump and see what happens. Just since we're testing, we're experimenting. Oh my gosh, my stomach is so loud right now. I kind of want to see like how long the foundation and makeup last. Maybe it lasts longer because you're kind of pressing it into the skin instead of just kind of like bouncing a beauty blender. Y'all let me know down below, like what do you guys use for tools for applying foundation? I'm always curious, like do people like sponges more or do you like brushes more? Because I always use a sponge. Like I hardly ever use a brush. But a lot of people I know prefer a brush. Feels kind of like a soft blanket on your face. All right, so since we've started with the skin, let's go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm really excited to be digging into this eyeshadow palette. I have no idea what kind of look I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna gravitate towards the warm shades. I don't know, I kind of wanna do the pinkish, but let me take that off. So pretty. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so you can see what I'm doing. So here's the face, finished look. I think it looks pretty good. It's just matte looking. So I'm not going way too into depth with this palette because I know a lot of you guys have seen videos already on it. But as you can see, there are 6 rows and they each have a different finish and a different color. So I think that's really, really cool. That was a really, really cool idea on her part to do that. I mean, it was probably her idea, I'm assuming, or somebody on her team. Yeah, I really, really like that a lot. So we have Memory, Ritual, Story, Soothe, and Aura, and Poet. So you can see them all right here, all the different finishes. There's a matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. So I really think that's cool how she did that. Like that's really, really cool. Yeah, so let's dip into Aura. This shade right here, I'll be using this to set the lids. I'm all about setting the lids before I go in with shadow because that's just what I do, you know? Nice soft finish there. And then I'm gonna take, I don't know, I like really wanna do so many of them. I'm gonna take this Soothe shade right here and I'm gonna go in with the matte shade just to set the, just to kind of give a transition color. I think that's like a really nice transition color. I like that a lot. Taking a Morphe M433 for that and just going in. I feel like you could create any look with this transition. It is a little deep for like a transition color, but I don't mind that. It seems to be blending really well, not seeing any patchiness. Very pigmented as well. Shadows seem so far to be performing pretty well, so that is nice. I like, yeah, like honestly, I don't know what to go with. They all look so pretty. I'm kind of wanting to dive into this like pinkier shade over here, like this berry pinky sort of vibe. So let's go in with that, the Poet Matte, and see what we can create with that. Whoa, that rhymed a little bit. Like, and also like I wanna do all the things, like sequin, metallic, and glitter. Like I'm one of those people, like I wanna try it all. You know what I mean? But let's go ahead and let's do that because I always do like a warm eye. So let's go with the reddish vibe, the berry vibe. It's really not red, it's like a berry pink. It's berry pink, you know what I mean? Ooh, yeah. I'm pretty sure this is what Maddie uses all the time, and it looks so good on her. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Ooh, yeah, yep. Okay, Tati. Tati, I am a fan. I think you did really, really good. And I can't wait to try the glitters. Like, if only my body could be that glittery. That collarbone though, goodness. Yes, Tati. It's so pigmented, you have to be careful not to like overuse the color at first because it's like, woo, gotta blend, gotta blend. No harsh edges, no patchiness, people. Wouldn't that be cool to see like all the YouTubers and all the beauty gurus like have their own lines in like Sephora one day? I know a lot of them probably do already, but I think it's pretty cool. I always seem to get more patchy on one eye than the other. Like, I don't know if that's just my skin, but like this eye always gets more patchy than this one. I don't know what the deal is. Might be the fact that I'm left-handed as well, I don't know. I got all up in there. Like, I'm a messy whenever it comes to blending. Like, I get all up in that, you know what I mean? So next we're gonna go with, I just kind of wanna like play around with this sequin shade right here. And I just kind of wanna add that over the lid part, and then I'm gonna go over it with the glitter after that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna go with my finger. I don't know if it'd be better with my, oh, that is pretty. Oh my gosh, so this is like a subtle glitter, like it's there, like you see the glitter, but it's not like insane, you know? Ooh, I like that. I like the different levels that we have here. Like, we have options, you know? That just kind of mattifies it out too. We've been on the tragedy for... Taking just a clean brush to kind of blend all that together seamlessly. Yes, yes, we're getting somewhere. I promise I look crazy right now, but it's gonna look good later, like I can already tell. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Okay, so we're gonna top that off with some of this, like I almost wanna go in with a different color to like spice it up a little bit. But no, we're gonna stick in the same shade Poet right here. I'm gonna take that glitter up at the top, Poet glitter, and I'm just gonna apply. Hopefully you don't need like a glitter glue because I'm just going straight in, baby. Ooh, yes, honey. Tati, yes. Is her real name Tati? Because like, that's really cool. That's a cool name. I've never heard of that name other than her. Like, so your parents did good. Your parents did good naming you. This glitter is unlike anything else because a lot of times, like, glitters don't really stick unless you have a glitter glue, and it seems to be sticking. I mean, I hope it's not all over my face later, but we'll see about that. So there's the finished shadow look. It's gonna all come together when I get the lashes and the rest of my face on, I promise. Like, I can already tell it's just stunning. She did a great job, y'all. She did it. She did it, and it's like not crazy expensive. I think it's like $55, which for all the shadows and all the different formulas and then big ass mirror, the big ass mirror, the big mirror and all that, like, I feel like it's a great deal and the quality is there. Yeah, highly recommend. So let's move over to the concealer. I have the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer. I always put the names out of order, just, you know, to spice it up a little bit. So let's apply. This doe foot applicator feels different. Like, something about it feels expensive, you know? Oh, it feels soft. It's not like poking you and stabbing you in the eye. I kind of learned this tip from Tati, actually, to just kind of get the inner corners and outer corners. And it actually really is, like, you have enough product. Watch me dip in for more. Well, for me, I did when I did it. I've been using this NARS little pot right here. What is this? NARS Medium 1 Custard. It's this concealer. I've been doing this for spot concealing, like those blemishes and areas I pick at that I probably shouldn't, but you know how that goes. Just because it really matches like my face color, and I don't like how like thick it is and matte it is for under the eyes. So I've just been doing it for my face spot concealing. We're gonna do that real quick before we continue. Oh yeah, That looks nice, huh? So let's go back in with this beautiful, and see what happens. You know, the cool thing is maybe since it gives you that mattified finish, like maybe, just maybe, I wouldn't need to bake under my concealer. Don't think I'll try that today. Oh yeah, look at that. I didn't even like look to see if this was my right color. Like I just guessed online. It's a little light, but maybe it's the lights too. I kind of wish the tip on this was a little bit sharper just so that you could really get up under the eyes a little bit better, because I'm worried I'm gonna mess up the eyeshadow. So you see how those edges on the concealer are a little sharp? That would be nice if this just had a sharper tip on there, you know, to really get up under the eyes. All right, so that's what I did with the Blendiful. I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, except I do really want to kind of sharpen those points like up here. I can kind of get a better grip on that. And just kind of soften that out a little bit more. I do feel like it's soaking up a bit of product there, but I actually need to soften those lines. It's a little sharp for my liking. And also we're going to bake. Since I'm using the Hourglass concealer, I'm gonna use the Hourglass powder to bake that on there. Clean that off. Be looking good for the camera. Don't be having fingerprints on you. You know better than that. I have to bake every day or else I get major creasy black weirdness under my eyes, you know. Okay, so this is the finished look that I came up with. I just finished the rest of my makeup except lip, because I want to show you guys this lip that I am currently obsessed with, and it is by Bobbi Brown. So I don't use a ton of Bobbi Brown makeup, but I love this lip gloss. You guys know I'm a gloss girl, that is my thing. And I thought this would be perfect with this look. And this is their crushed oil-infused gloss. Nice simple packaging. It says crushed oil infused, and it's in the shade Free Spirit. So I'm gonna be applying this and showing you guys what it looks like. It just has a doe foot applicator. Let's see what's up. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like this peachy brown color. I love that it's oil infused just to give you that extra like hydration. And it's just enough color, like it's not overly pigmented, which I love. I don't like my glosses to be overly pigmented. So this is like the perfect gloss for me if I don't want any shimmer or anything. Cause like I have like a lot of shimmer in my eyes right now, so I don't ever wanna like overdo it. This is honestly the perfect gloss for any look. You could really pair this with anything. So pretty, I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And it's like the perfect amount of color, not too much, not too little. It's just perfect. So thank you so much to Bobbi Brown and Octoly for gifting me this product through Octoly. So thank you so much that I get to try that. It's just so, so pretty. So the look is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more. Let me know what you want to see next down below. I love you so much. Let me know if you guys get this palette and what you think about it if you have it already. I love you so much. Have a great day wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Girl, you did good. I am proud of you. You killed it.